Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will see if given only a pointer or reference to a node to be deleted in a single linked list, how to delete it. So, the problem statement says we have given a pointer to a node to be deleted. We have to delete that node. Interesting thing is, we don't have pointer to head node. We assume that node to be deleted is not the last node of the linked list. So, how to solve this problem? First idea that strikes is to traverse the linked list until we find the node we want to delete. But this approach is wrong. It is because this solution requires pointer to the head node, which contradicts the problem statement. So, what's the correct solution? Let's see the correct approach for the given problem statement. Correct solution is to copy the data from the next node to the node to be deleted and delete the next node. So, what we are doing is instead of deleting the node whose reference is given, we are deleting the node next to it and copying the data of next node to the node whose reference is given. Let's take an example to understand the code of this algorithm. So, this is the code of the above algorithm. Let's understand this using an example. So, we have given a linked list 1, 12, 1, 4, 1, and we have also given a reference of head node, means we have to delete head node of the given linked list. So initially node underscore ptr will point on 1, which is head node of the linked list, and we have to delete this node. Inside this function, in the variable temp, next of node underscore ptr is stored, so temp will point to 12. After that, we are copying data of temp node to node underscore ptr node. So this changes data of node underscore ptr node to 12. Then to break link of node underscore ptr with temp node, next of node underscore ptr is changed to next of temp. So next of node underscore ptr now points on node 1. Finally, we delete node temp using free. So we get final linked list as 12, 1, 4, 1. Time complexity of this algorithm is O1. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.